Meaning of flugelhorn.
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 Flugelhorn. A flugelhorn is a brass instrument that resembles a trumpet but has a wider, conical bore and a mellower tone. It produces warm and soothing sounds that are often used in jazz, classical, and popular music. It is commonly seen in brass bands, orchestras, and jazz ensembles. The flugelhorn is typically made of brass or silver-plated brass and has 3 valves, which are used to change the pitch. It is played by blowing air into a mouthpiece and using the fingers to press the valves to create different notes and tones.